Imagine reaching for a single can from your toolkit, one that has the power to silence creaking doors, rescue rusted locks, and, in a twist that surprises even seasoned DIYers, clean crayon scrawls off your living room wall. Now, imagine that very same can was originally crafted not for everyday household fixes, but to safeguard the delicate innards of space rockets from corrosion. That's the story of WD-40, the unassuming blue and yellow can that's earned legendary status far beyond its intended mission. Let's go back to 1953. In a small lab in San Diego, a group of chemists at the Rocket Chemical Company set out with a singular goal: protect the outer surface of the Atlas missile from rust and corrosion. The solution, which took 40 painstaking attempts to perfect, was aptly named WD-40. Nishi, short for water displacement 40th formula. Back then, no one could have predicted how a product designed for missiles would become the secret weapon tucked away in millions of homes, garages, and workbenches worldwide. But what makes WD-40 so exceptional? Many of us know it as a lubricant or quick fix for a creaking hinge. Its reputation as an anti-corrosive miracle oil, though, is equally well-deserved. More than just lubricating, WD-40 interrupts the very chemical process of rust and oxidation. Instead of merely masking problems, it actively prevents metals from corroding, keeping tools and machinery working smoothly and extending the life of nearly anything made of metal. If you own a car, bicycle, lawnmower, or toolbox, you've likely faced these maintenance headaches. Rusty nuts and bolts refusing to budge, door hinges that screech every time you walk by, or garden tools stiff with grime after a long winter. These challenges aren't just annoyances, they're barriers that can slow down projects and cause frustration. WD-40's genius lies in its versatility for solving all these problems, often in seconds. For rusted parts, the product works by penetrating deeply into the smallest cracks and crevices. Its engineered blend of lubricants not only displaces moisture, the enemy of metal, but also loosens seized bolts and stubborn fixtures. A few precise sprays can transform a stuck screw into a seamless turning motion or rescue a padlock rendered useless after a rainy season. The relief is instantaneous, and the mystery of how such a simple act can break the relentless grip of rust is one of WD-40's everyday miracles. Squeaky hinges might seem like a minor household irritant, but anyone who's been startled by a door's loud protest in the middle of the night knows that peace and quiet have real value. WD-40 excels at silencing those uncooperative hinges, not just lubricating the joints, but coating them in a protective layer that wards off future moisture and dust. It means not just a quiet home today, but fewer problems tomorrow. But the uses of WD-40 don't stop at rust and squeaks. Over the years, tinkerers and professionals alike have discovered that its blend of ingredients is effective far beyond its intended purpose. When it comes to cleaning, WD-40 shines, literally. Chrome fixtures dulled by fingerprints and splashes can be restored to their original sparkle with a gentle wiping of WD-40. Sticky residues left behind by price tags or adhesive tape melt away with a swipe, leaving surfaces clean and residue-free. For crafters, parents, and teachers, there's another benefit: its ability to clean unwelcome marks from unexpected places. Crayon doodles on painted walls, scuff marks on ceramic tiles, and even dried gum on desks and shoes can be removed using WD-40 and a soft cloth. The product breaks down waxes and other sticky substances, making it a go-to trick for life's little messes. The result? Surfaces are left clean, and frazzled parents can breathe a sigh of relief. Some of the most unconventional WD-40 hacks seem almost too good to be true until you try them yourself. For example, did you know that it can help waterproof shoes in a pinch? A quick, light spray creates an invisible barrier that helps repel water, protecting your footwear on rainy days. This same property makes it useful for preventing ice buildup on shovels or snowblowers in the winter. Outdoors, WD-40 can even be used to deter pests. While it isn't a pesticide, the slick coating it leaves behind can make it difficult for insects like wasps to cling to eaves and outdoor furniture, providing a simple and chemical-free way to discourage unwanted visitors during summer months. But perhaps the most surprising application, and the one that frequently amazes even the most seasoned handymen, is WD-40's ability to unstick chewing gum from hair. That's right. If you, or your child, has ever ended up with a wad of gum hopelessly tangled in hair, you know the panic it can cause. Emotional tears and frantic cutting can sometimes make it worse. But a little patience and a spray of WD-40 on the affected strands can break down the gum's stickiness in moments, allowing it to slide free with minimal discomfort and no desperate haircuts required. It's a household lifesaver in one of life's most sticky situations, and countless grateful parents have sung its praises for this hidden superpower. The extraordinary versatility of WD-40 doesn't stop there. Boaters use it to clean and protect marine equipment, cyclists ensure smooth gear shifts and brake levers with it, and mechanics consider it indispensable for maintaining spark plugs, battery terminals, and engine parts. Around the house, it can be used to polish stainless steel appliances, lubricate zippers on coats and bags, even ease the assembly of flat-pack furniture by feeding screws and dowels more smoothly into their places. It's important to note, though, that WD-40 is not a permanent lubricant for every job. While it excels at breaking through rust and loosening mechanisms, certain tasks, like long-term bicycle chain lubrication, may require other specialized products for ongoing care. But those limitations take nothing away from its unmatched utility as a first response solution and a jack-of-all-trades around the home, garage, and beyond. What exactly makes it so effective? While the precise formula remains a closely guarded trade secret, we do know that its magic lies in its ability to displace moisture, lubricate moving parts, and coat surfaces with a thin corrosion-resistant layer. This unique combination means you can safely use it on metal, glass, plastic, and even certain types of rubber. Just remember to always check manufacturer's recommendations, especially when using it on delicate or specialty materials. Let's take a moment to recap the incredible capabilities of this anti-corrosive miracle oil. Prevents and reverses rust. By cutting through grime and displacing water, WD-40 not only revives rusted parts, it helps shield them from future damage. Freeze stuck parts. Locks, hinges, screws, and bolts become responsive and easy to use, bringing old mechanisms back to life. Cleans and restores. From sticky adhesives to wall art gone wrong, WD-40's cleaning properties are as impressive as its lubricating ones. Protects surfaces. It polishes chrome, protects tools, and even waterproofs shoes and sporting gear, making it an all-season companion for outdoor adventures. Handles unexpected emergencies. Whether it's gum in hair, ice on shovels, or stubborn stickers on glass, WD-40 remains the ace up your sleeve for life's curveballs. The next time you reach for that unmistakable blue and yellow can, remember its roots in rocket science and its legacy as an unsung hero in household maintenance. From aerospace engineering to everyday fixes, WD-40 has proven itself time and again as a versatile, ingenious, and indispensable addition to any toolkit. If you've learned something new about WD-40 today, or if you're inspired to put it to new uses around your home, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and surprising solutions for everyday problems. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, homeowner, or someone who values practical knowledge, there's always more to discover. Thank you for joining us as we explored the story and superpowers of WD-40, the anti-corrosive miracle oil that just might save your day.